Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another tutorial video for you guys today on how to geek, and in today's video I'm about to provide you with the basic guidelines on how you can work on Twitter. So Twitter is basically a social media app that helps you join different forms of conversations that are taking place. It's one of the best apps that helps you stay updated with what is going on all around the world, and it helps you be extremely relevant. You can retweet, you can chime in on a thread, or you can create your own tweets on Twitter. And if you'd like to join this bandwagon, stick with me till the end of this video to figure out how exactly Twitter works. So the first thing you have to do for this is definitely download Twitter on your device. In order to download Twitter, you can head over to your App Store or Google Play Store and then go to the search bar and type in Twitter. As soon as you type in Twitter, you will land on an interface that looks like this. Tap on the app, and then what you can do is tap on the download button in order to start downloading the app. After your app gets downloaded, all you have to do is open up the app. As your app loads and opens, you will land on an interface that looks like this again, and there you can see an option Create Account. Tap on Create Account in order to begin creating your own account. So here what you have to do is first of all type in a name for yourself. After you type in a name, all you have to do is enter an email address or a phone number. You can tap on Use Email instead if you'd like to use an email, or you can always use your phone number if it's more convenient for you. So here I'm just gonna use my email instead. So here I'm just gonna type in my email address. After doing so, also type in your date of birth. So here I'm just gonna type in my date of birth as well. And after you select the date of birth, tap on Next. After you do so, it's gonna ask you if you'd like to customize your experience. And here it says track where you see Twitter content across web. You can simply turn this on or turn this off according to your own convenience, and then tap on the next button. After doing so, it will show you the information that you'd previously given to them, then tap on Sign Up. After you tap on Sign Up, it's going to tell you that there's a certain code that has been sent to you. So all you have to do is now go to your email and check if you've received a code from Twitter, and then copy the code and come back to the same page and then paste the code over there. And here I've received a code from Twitter, so all I'm going to do is copy the code like I said before, head back to the same space, paste the code in this section, then tap on the next button. Now here you'll have to create a password for yourself, so I'm just going to create a password really quickly. After doing so, tap on the next button. You can also pick a profile picture for yourself. You can simply tap on the plus icon over here, allow Twitter to access your photos, and then you'll be directed towards your photos where you can choose a certain picture as your profile picture. So here I'm just going to choose this as my profile picture, and then tap on the apply button on the top right corner. Tap on done after you're done editing, and then tap on next. You can also create a bio for yourself at this moment, or you can skip for now by tapping on skip for now. You can also connect your address book to find people you may know on Twitter. So if you'd like to sync contacts, tap on sync contacts, or else tap on not now. After you do so, you'd like to select certain interests for yourself if they show up in this section. Otherwise, tap on the next button, and then you can start following a few accounts if you'd like. So here I'm just following a particular certain accounts, and then tap on next again. After doing so, you can turn on the notifications. So I'm just going to allow notifications, and here you can see that you've already landed. So simply tap on the cross button, and here as you can see, you've already landed on your Twitter homepage, which means that you've already been able to sign up for your Twitter account. So this is how you sign up. Now, as soon as you sign up, you'll also be able to see that on the lower section, there are a lot of menu bar. We'll get to every single one of them in a bit. But before that, you can see here a feather-like structure with a plus icon. When you tap on it, it's the most important feature of Twitter because it helps you tweet something. So if you'd like to make a certain tweet, that is the particular button that you'd like to click and then make your tweet over here. I'm going to just write something randomly. What you can also do is after you type in your tweet over here, if there's a lot of space that you need, you can simply tap on the plus icon on the bottom right corner and then add another tweet to your own tweet itself. You can also choose the settings here, whether you'd like everyone can reply or only the people you follow or only people you mention. You can make these settings as per your own wishes. And then here on the lower section, you can also see different other options. The first very option is hitting record. So you can simply record your voice and then make a tweet about it. Here, when you tap on the second option, it'll take you directly to your images. And then the third option here, will show you certain GIFs if you'd like to just add some GIF. So here I'm just going to add this GIF over here to show you how it works, and then you can also ping in a certain location if you'd like to as well. So these are a lot of things that you can do here, and after you do this, tap on tweet all on the top right corner, and when you do so, after a certain while, you'll be able to see that your tweets were sent and you have made your first tweet. So this is basically how tweeting on Twitter works. I hope that this has been helpful to you as of now. After you do this, another important thing to learn is that when you tap on a certain tweet, for example, this is a tweet you've made. For example, I am really happy is a tweet you've made. Now, if you like to make certain changes to it, what you can do is there are 3 dots above the tweet. Simply tap on it. If you'd like to delete the tweet, tap on delete tweet. If you'd like to pin it to your profile, tap on pin to your profile. Or if you want to add it to your lists for your convenience to be able to see it really properly, you can also do that. Now, another thing to also learn about this are different functions available here. I'll just go with the first option. This particular chat icon simply means that you can reply to this particular tweet. This means you're retweeting the tweet. You can either retweet the tweet or you can quote tweet the tweet by adding some of your own sentences. You can also like a particular tweet by tapping on the heart icon, and then you can also send this tweet to anybody that you'd like, either via direct message or via different other social media platforms. So this is the basic of how tweets work. Now, moving on with the lower menu section, I'm just going to show you the second option. That is, after your home page, you will land on your search icon, where you will be able to see different trending tweets on your region at the moment. So here you can see the trends for you, and then you will also be able to see the people that you can likely follow. And then on the search bar, you can also type in for certain people's names. For example, I'm just going to show you by typing in a particular name, and then it'll land me over this section. I can go to this person's profile and then start following this person by tapping on the follow button. So these are things that you have to keep in mind. And after you do that, there's a third option here, the bell icon. When you tap on the bell icon, it will basically just acquaint you with all of the notifications. So if there are different forms of notifications that you're receiving, all of the notifications will appear on this platform. And here in the mentions, if you've been mentioned in anything, all of the mentions will appear in this particular section. Another thing you can see is the message icon. When you go to the message icon, as you must have already guessed, you can write a message to a particular person. You can search for people and groups over here and start creating your own message, or you can also find any message that has been sent to you in this particular section as well. After all of this, another important thing is your own profile. So how do you visit your profile? When you go to homepage, you can see that on the top left corner there's a profile icon. Tap on the profile icon and then tap on the profile option. After you go to the profile option, you'll be able to see here all of your tweets in this particular section, another section that says tweets and replies, another yet section that says media, and the likes. So these are sections that will be extremely helpful for you. And then you can also see an option over there that says edit profile. When you tap on edit profile, you'll be able to change your name, add a bio to your profile, add your location, website, and also make changes to your date of birth if ever required. You can simply tap on the cover photo and then choose a particular picture that you'd like to use as your cover photo as well. So these are the basic functions of how Twitter works. I really hope that with the help of this video, you'll be able to sign up to your own Twitter account, also make your own tweets, learn how to like your tweets or like other people's tweets, retweet certain things, go on with messaging people and having conversations with them, and basically enjoy your time being on Twitter, because this is an absolutely amazing platform to learn a lot of things. I hope that this video has been useful to you. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Do share, subscribe to our channel, and also hit that bell notification so that you do not miss out on any of our future tutorial videos. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I'll see you around in the next video.